Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike MX90. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX90 shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the black, cool grey, bright crimson, Photon Dust colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid. Let's peel back the wrapping paper or packing paper to reveal the Nike MX90 in the black, cool grey, bright crimson, Photon Dust colourway. Let's lift out the left shoe first and take a look at its details. So setting the box on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at this pair of Nike MX90 with the left shoe first. Let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. Okay, and now taking a much closer in look at its details so we can see the kind of shimmering qualities of the black carbon fiber effect details or panels on the upper, contrasting against the muted short nap suede or at least leather of that cool grey middle panel right there. So giving you a much closer in look at its details, and just rubbing my finger to give you some sense of that very fine short nap suede for that cool grey or grey panel, and of course sandwiched between the carbon fiber effect weave for the vamp and the mudguard as well. So you can see the textural qualities as well with the different panels and overlays, and of course we can see the white midsole as well, that foam midsole sandwiched between the black rubber waffle sole and that carbon fiber effect mudguard. So as we move towards the midfoot area, we can see a very coarse suede finish, cool grey Nike swoosh, and the various TPU details with the upper eye stay in black TPU or thermal plastic polyurethane, and that bright crimson one on the lower part of the eye stay. So moving towards the back or heel area, we see the very bright or bright crimson midsole wedge, and of course the Nike Max Air airbag. And on the inside structure, it appears to be white inside of that Max Air cushioning unit. And of course, once again, with the ankle collar area on the outer side, we see that carbon fiber effect of the materials used for those panels. And with the midsole or mudguard cutout, we can see the Air Max details in bright crimson as well. As we move towards the back or heel area, so once again we see another TPU back tab with the Nike Air branding in black, so high contrast right there, and once again those carbon fiber effect panels or overlays. And moving towards the inner side of the shoe, once again continuation of those various panels, and once again with the light playing against the different surfaces of the shoe. And moving back towards the front again, so once again that cool grey, very fine short nap suede sandwiched between those carbon fiber effect panels. Now taking a look directly from the tip, toe or front of the shoe and slowly moving towards the back so you can see the details along the length of this Nike Air Max 90 in the black, cool grey, bright crimson, Photon Dust colourway. And with the tongue patch label, you can see the Nike branding in that bright crimson. And we can see those blacked out just about Air Max details in black on black. Now let's pop up the paper stuffing from inside of the shoe so we have a better look on the inside details. And of course with the tongue, there's a medium level, light to medium level of thickness and a medium level of firmness to it as well. So let's give you a look behind the tongue, the details at the back as best that we can. So there with the tongue label on the back side and the inside details of the shoe as well. So just gonna flip out the laces and give you a look at the materials sticker or composition sticker on the insole as well as the inner lining details. So you can see the Nike Air branding in white on that bright crimson sock liner. And in terms of the padding around the ankle and heel collar, it's a medium level of firmness with a light or thin to medium level of thickness throughout. Now taking a look at the bottom sole of the shoe, so it's a rubber waffle sole with the bright crimson as well as black colouring to it. So giving you a close-up look at its details and of course the flex screws as well. And there's a Nike branding around the midfoot area. And in terms of the material or rubber, just dragging my finger along the sole and tapping my fingernail on it as well. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, flexibility or pliability. Now just popping the shoe back in shape. And taking a look at the right shoe now, so setting the left shoe down and in the background. Box back in frame. And popping out the left shoe as we set the box back on the left hand side of the tabletop. So giving you a look at this Nike Air Max 90, the right shoe side, and let's do a 360 rotation this side as well, so you have that quick look at the shoe. And now a much closer in look at its details. So once again we see that the high contrast details both texturally as well as the way light plays against the carbon fiber effect panels or overlays of the shoe. Once again, with the back tab, very high contrast as you can see, with the black on bright crimson, and those eye-catching shimmering details with that carbon fiber effect panels. And of course, taking a look at the tongue once again. So the tongue has that carbon fibre effect finish on the outside as well. And on the inside, let's pop out the paper stuffing and take a better look inside of the right shoe. So once again, bright crimson and cool grey lined. And tongue label on this side. And of course, taking a look at the sole as well. So once again, that wavy pattern, two-tone, bright crimson and black rubber waffle sole. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Max 90. Thanks for watching and happy walking!